In this video, we'll talk about pocket option copy trading and how you can copy my trades that looks like this. If you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account by using the social trading feature, then do watch this video till the end, and I'm going to explain you each and everything in such a simple way that you can start to copy my trades anywhere from $2 to $200 by setting up copying percentage of this $200. As you can see, I only make trades of $200 each in each trade. Okay, so that means you can copy from 1% to 100%. That will be $2 to $200. So in order to do the copy trading, firstly, you need to join my free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description and the first comment below of this video. You can click on it and join my free Telegram channel and read the instructions there on how you can start to copy my trades. And once you follow that instructions, you will get a UID. So basically UID means this kind of numbers. Okay, so if I click here and show you, this kind of number is called UID. Okay, so let me copy it for now. And once you get that UID, you simply log into your pocket option account, go to this social trading feature and click on this and click on search. Once you do this much, now enter that UID at here and a name will appear at here. Now I want to repeat that this is not my ID. Okay, I'm just showing you it as an example. And don't forget to like this video. And once you see this name, just click on that name and click on copy. Now you'll see these 4 boxes. You don't need to touch anything in these 3 boxes. Okay, you only need to make changes to this percentage, copy in proportion percentage. Okay, so 1% means $2. Why? Because I make $200 per trade in each trade. Okay, so that means 1% of $200 is $2. So now if you want to copy $10 per trade, just make it 5%. And if you want to copy $20 per trade, then just make it 10%. Okay, in this way you can set up this by changing the amount in this copying in proportion and then click on confirm. Now you will be automatically be eligible to copy my trades in your account. You don't need to do anything. Just don't log out of your account, but you don't need to be online. Okay, you can be at asleep and your trades will be still be copied. Now you can see anywhere in this screen there is one video that is appearing where I've shown you how you can how I have increased my $10 into $2,500 by using an extremely simple and easy strategy. I recommend you to watch that video because it is going to be extremely helpful for you. And don't forget to like this video. So do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.